In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Canva designs into your Squarespace website. Perfect for those of you wanting to showcase your creativity online. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you with clear step-by-step instructions to ensure you're set up for success. First, let's start in Canva, where your design magic happens. Once you have your design ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Canva workspace. There, you'll find the Share button. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options for sharing your work. Look for either the More option or specifically Embed. This is your key to obtaining the HTML embed code you need. Select the HTML embed code option to generate the necessary code. Now simply copy this code and keep it handy. We're going to need it shortly. Next, we move on to Squarespace, where you'll be integrating your design. Start by navigating to the specific page of your Squarespace site where you'd like to add your Canva masterpiece. Locate and click the Edit button to open up the page editor. This is where you'll be making your changes. Now, it's time to add a new block to your page. In the Squarespace editor, look for the option to add blocks. You'll have a selection to choose from, but go ahead and select either the Embed block or the Code block. These blocks are crucial because they allow you to input custom code, which in this case is your HTML code from Canva. With your block added, double-click to open it up. This brings up a field where you can paste your copied HTML code directly. Go ahead and do that now. Once you've pasted the code into the field, the next step is to save your work. Saving ensures that your Canva design is properly integrated and visible on your Squarespace page. It's important to note that if your Canva designs span multiple pages, you'll want to repeat this same process for each page you want to beautify with your designs. Each page will need its own separate block and embed code to function correctly. Throughout this process, take a moment to check how your design looks on the site to ensure it appears as you intended. If you encounter any issues, double-check that the embed code was copied accurately and that it fits within the block's constraints. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to bring your Canva designs to life on your Squarespace website. By following these steps, you can effortlessly enhance the aesthetics of your online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!